Hello everyone. I am here to do a quick flip through of my Linens Lace and Things bundle. Each piece of lace is about a yard or more, and each linen is about 1/4 of a yard long. You know what I mean? And then there's other things in here as well. And I'll go through it pretty quickly because I don't want y'all to have to get bored on me. So there's that pretty pink one and this pretty blue one, and it's stretchy, and I'll make this look pretty later on. And there's an extra piece of that because it was just in my stash and I didn't want to put it back. And then there's this pretty yellow one and this fabric blue one. It's a big old ruffle. I was going to make it all pretty first, and I thought, oh, I'm just going to make a hot mess out of it, so might as well wait. There's that pretty white one. There's this pretty orange for autumn. And then there's two different pom-pom colors. This pretty peach color. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's a pretty peach one. And this cute little dainty white one. There's this blue one. There's another blue one. There's this pretty like green colored one. And this little cute colorful one here. A big piece of this, which I've used in a few different things. Yeah, I love this. You can cut these down too. And then there is this pretty blue one. You can cut these flowers out as well. It doesn't have to be used as so. You can just cut them out. And there's a bunch of this pretty wide trim, really wide trim. It's got some sparkly gold in it. There is this pretty cream colored one here. I love this. This is one of my favorites right here. And then there is this pretty peach colored wide one here. This doesn't show how much peach it really is, but it's really pretty. I love that. And that is the laces. And then we have this little pack of 8 cardboard shaped tickets. Some Post-it notes. These cheers, congratulate tags for Tuesday mornings. 2 colorful pins, markers. And then we also have some paper. These are 12 by 12s that I cut in half. There is all sorts of different colors. And then these are some that I did not use in my signatures. I've been trying to use them up, but I'm getting tired of using the same ones. These are 12 by 12 as well. But they were, I should say. And now they are, let's find my pen. Or my ruler. Let's see. They are a little over 7.5 actually. By 12. There's this one. This one. Some pretty papers. I love these. Very pretty papers. I've already folded them all in half because I used it other parts in other journals. So there's those. 2 of these, I think they're German, but they're really old magazines. I can't obviously read them, but there's 2 of these. I'm not sure how old they are, but let's see if I can find it really quick. Oh, duh, 1917. And this one is a fatter, bigger one, and more yellow, and it's from 1907. Super old. I love those, but I have a bunch of those. Here's some really old music pages. And this one is the book itself. Really old. And then we have some popcorn bags here. I think 4 of them. We have these stickers. And I was going to peel these off, but I decided to just leave them on there since they're already stuck on there and you guys can peel them off and use them however you want. I got them at Tuesday mornings. Here is a page of bling, a sticky bling. And we have some seam binding, all different colors. And then we have this big sheet of, actually it's a curtain, but it's really pretty. See how gorgeous that is? It's really big. I can't show you how big on here, but it's really big. Piece of that. And then we have this pretty wedding applique off of a dress. It's so gorgeous. Oh, we're in 6 minutes already. We have this pretty doily. And then this pretty green doily. This cute one's pink, one's white. And you can cut that flower out too if you wanted to. And this one, I've already done it. I've already cut some of these flowers out. But you can cut those and these little ones right here. This is a really light pink. You can't really tell on here very well, but it is. Then we have this big green. These are all cotton. And we also have this off-white color, or cream color. And those, I think, are all of the cotton doilies. Then we have some little quilt blocks that I made, and I was going to make a quilt out of and never finished it. So we have those. These are like 6x6 blocks. And the fabrics we have are this honeycomb one. It's gorgeous. And they're all about the same. They're not exactly, but they're all about the same size. And we have, of course, they fold out, you know, they're double of what they are. And I love this little green flowered one. It's so pretty. I love that. And here's one that has keys on it. These are all new from my, well, most of them are all brand new from this local store that I went out of business that I bought these from. And then there's this one. This one is vintage. This one is not brand new. I've had it for quite a while, and it's pretty big. And then we have this pretty one here. So gorgeous. Of course, it's like doubled, like they all are. I love this. Okay, this is one of my super favorites right here. Is this one, because it's got the script and everything on it. So cute. And then this is just a miscellaneous piece here. It's super cute. This is a really old piece of fabric. I already used a piece of that. So that one is not as big as the rest. Then we have this striped color here. This used to be, I bought a brand new pillow and I took the stuffing out and used the fabric because I love this fabric. Oh my goodness. And then we have this pretty blue here. Super cute. I love that. This is a miscellaneous piece. And so is this one. Then we have this, which I super love, which is used to be one of an old shower curtain, and I've been using this for years. I've been cutting it up, and I super love it. This is a miscellaneous piece here, which I love this. You can fussy cut this out. And this is an upholstery piece. Good. I love these for journal covers. And this is just a piece with a tassel on it. that I've used. We have this old piece. This is an old piece of fabric as well. Just a little green checkered piece here. And this is super cute too. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I love this one too. So cute. We have that one. And then we have this piece of linen here that's got this embroidery on it. Oh, it looks yellow here. Why is it doing that? I love this. And I love this kind of linen. This is just a piece of one, of course. You get all that linen right there and the embroidery piece. So yeah, this is this big old bundle. And if I can, I will shove more stuff in the bag if this all fits in the bag first. And you get all of this for $49, free shipping. And yeah, first come, first serve. Let me know if you are interested in all of this goodness. I'm just trying to make some more room because I need more room, ladies. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will link my Facebook below. If you are interested, please contact me, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.